I wanted to cover some tips on personalization. If for any reason you want to order an ornament and not use any of the personalization fields, you can simply leave them blank and click the Add to Cart button. When you do so, you'll get this pop-up that says, "Did you intend to add a blank ornament to the cart?" If yes, you can click OK. If no, click Cancel to return. Now I want to cover the issue of using some but not all of the fields. For example, let's say we wanted to say our star and have the same person's name here, but not use any of these, and just have the year. We then could add it to the cart, and notice that I've left these two lines blank. We'll get the same message. Yes, that's what I meant. So you just click OK, and it will add the item to the cart. Notice that if we had mandated that the ornament on the left have 4 spaces, and we would do just the first 3 as personalized, the ornament looks like it has a large empty white space on the left between the Bachelor of Arts degree and the year. On the other hand, the ornament on the right has been balanced to allow for the removal of the blank line that was not personalized by this customer, and so that everything looks balanced and has a nice finished look. So whenever you skip a field, we will then balance and or center whatever personalization you do request. Next, I wanted to cover how we personalize. We're occasionally asked if we use lasers to burn into the ornaments, which of course weakens the structure, or if we do screen printing, which is great for mass manufacture but not one by one. But what you're seeing here are the actual paint pens and indelible ink pens that we do use on all of our ornaments, and then I'll show you the effect there. In this particular example, we're using 2 different kinds of pens. In the top, where it says Anthony and Nathan and our grandkids, we use indelible ink that shows up really opaquely and brightly on the white background. And then down below, we're using acrylic white paint that also shows up well on this particular style of ornament. We'll choose the personalization method that looks best on the surface of the ornament or ornaments that you chose. We use indelible ink as well as oil-based paint and acrylic-based paint. On most glass ornaments, such as in this example, we'll use acrylic paint on the bottom. Here, this one is white, and we'll also use a black oil-based paint. Lastly, I wanted to touch on the kinds of characters we can and cannot reproduce. Anything in the English language is fine. There's certain Germanic language symbols and the Hispanic tilde that we're not able to do. If you do by chance type in something like that, you'll get an error message like this. And it'll tell you that I'm sorry, we can't reproduce that particular symbol. All you need to do is hit your backspace and start over. If at any time you have any questions, please use the Contact Us link here at the top. You'll get this particular form. And then also we have another Contact Us link at the bottom. Thank you very much for going through this video. I hope you have a wonderful time shopping, and feel free to email us at any time. We're happy to help.